Muthenya umwe thutha wa Kidiki kuhitirio ta munini wa president wa gatatu wa Kenya, Kanjũ ya Mangabana ni uritie mũingĩ wa kĩrĩma matigetĩkĩre kũgayũkanio na mĩthingi mĩena ĩrĩ ya kĩrĩma ya irathĩro na ithũĩro. Marĩtie ũũ hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa gũcokia ngatho rĩa gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga thutha kũiyũkia gĩturwa ta munini wa mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa Kanjũ ya gavana.
The region will remain united and it is part and parcel of Kenya, and we have no doubt that you as leaders in this region will provide leadership.
Sisi tunakaa kama kitu kimoja. We remain united from Bungoma paka Wajir paka Mombasa na kila mahali. That is the way we want our Kenya to be.
Na mambo ya appointment ya deputy president, sisi tutakaa kama marafiki because you have been friends. And by extension, huwezi chagua maziwa useme maziwa ni mzuri alafu useme ng'ombe utaki.
Gavana Kahiga kiuga kuona uria urari munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua niwe urari mutongoria uria munene kuma Nyeri gicigo giki gitikariganire.
Kwa hivyo tunamuomba rais akikaa aangalie, aanze kuwaza mbele vile atakaa na atafikiria kuhusu watu wa Nyeri. Ni kweli ama si uongo? Wangapi wanasema hivyo? As many of that opinion say aye. The eyes have it.
Ihinda nĩ rĩu Kanjũ nĩ yugĩte ũtambũrũkia wa mahinya matũra-inĩ ũrĩ hatĩka-inĩ ya gũthinĩkana kumana na wagi wa atongoria amwe arĩa marĩ iturwa-inĩ cia ũtongoria kwaga gũtaũkwo nĩ ũtambũrũkia wa mahinya.
So the way we can equalize this country, the way we can grow uniformly across all the counties is actually by mainstreaming and supporting devolution.
Maugĩte gũcerithĩrio gwa kĩgĩna nĩ gũkoretwo kũrĩ mũhĩnga mũnene harĩ gũkinyanĩria motungata kũrĩ mũingĩ.
What we are seeing as development in Baringo and many other parts of Kenya happened after devolution because every county has got a right of its own.
This is why I want to ask Kenyans to support devolution, to mainstream devolution, to not believe everything that he said about governors and counties and West.
Handũ-inĩ Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, njĩta Theuri wa Mbogo.